back in Auckland. Just arrived. I'm gonna find a place to sit down. I'm gonna try and find a bike. So I'm gonna jump online and have a look and see what I can get. I'm using a New Zealand auction site here. Let's go ahead and have a look and see what's on offer for sale in Auckland. Folding bike, 33 results. I've seen this one before and I think I'm going to bid on it. It looks pretty tidy. It's up to $1 reserve, but it's not closing till later. We'll come back. Portable bicycle. Now this looks like it's got really small wheels. Only 50 bucks, but I don't think this one's for me. Folding bicycle with a luggage rack. Looks like 16-inch wheels though. 150, not for me. Maybe something else. Vintage Eska folding bike. 20-inch wheels, but it's a steel frame. Again, something for the enthusiast. Look at that. What do you guys think of that one? Folding bike for adults. Certainly it folds small. Folding bike, 26-inch wheel folding bike. $30 though, but not really for me. It doesn't have a luggage rack. I'm not sure that would be very helpful. It's got gears and everything. What do you think? Which one would you pick? 2 folding bikes. This would be me. A bike like that with the luggage rack, 20-inch wheels. But I think for the price they're asking here, $400, it's a bit much. I don't need 2 bikes. Foldable multi-speed bike, current bid $36. I am totally bidding on this. This is a Dahon, and it looks like there's a few people bidding against each other for this one. Okay, we're up to 100. I'm just totally out. I am. Maybe I'll give it one more bid. I'll go up to like 110. That's my max. There's a bit of work to do to this bike. Okay. I'm leading. 107, come on. Yeah, if I could get this bike, there's a little bit of work that needs doing to it, but I can do it with, probably find some second-hand parts here in Auckland, head over to the recycling centre and find some bits and pieces to fix it up. I'm leading the bidding, 109. I'm not going to go any higher than this. Maybe I will. I've been outbid, that's it. 110. That's my max. No, that's my max. I just don't think it's worth it. I could get something that I could just ride away with no issues. What can I say? I'm putting in another bid, 115. I could go up to 120. Dahon is a well-known brand, and I could probably sell it for $200 once I fixed it. Means I can have some fun with it, and then I can get my money back, so. Okay, I've been outbid, 119, I'm out. We'll let this guy have it, and I'll tell you why. Because when I check here of who's bidding against me, I see this person has a big fat 0 beside them. So that means that they've never bid before. For me, that's alarm bells, because I don't know if they're a real true bidder or they're a ghost bidder, just trying to bid up their friend's auction, or it could even be the person who's running the auction bidding to try and up the price. So I'm totally out. We're done. I'm not going to get this bike right now. We'll come back a little bit later and we'll see what we can get. Okay, we're back bidding on folding bicycle, crazy $1 reserve. And this one, I'm pretty keen on this. It looks like the kind of bike that I have already. It's up to $51, but I'm bidding on this. I think I'll bid... I could bid up to $100 on this. I'm comfortable with that. But it could be a popular auction. Let's see. 70... Yeah, it's going up quick. Oh man. I think these people want it more than I do. This is past what I'm willing to pay. Damn. Okay, so we didn't manage to get a bike today. It was just too much. It was more than I was willing to pay. Alright guys, I gotta get ahead and make some more videos. Stick around and we'll see if I can get myself a bike. If you guys want to see how I get on in the big city without a bike, then go watch this video over here. It shows how I survive in a big city with just the clothes on my back.